Hi students, welcome in the online classes of DAV school. As you know, in the class 8G science we are on 10th chapter reflection and dispersion of the light. In the previous lecture we complete our keywords. Today we discuss about the part ABC of this lesson. In the part A there are filling the blanks. Filling the blanks are there. A ray of light passing from one medium to another does not bend its path. An angle of incidence equal. Angle of incident क्या होगा? वो होगा 90 डिग्री. That's the answer of first. More second is more the optical density of a given pendulum, given medium, the dash is the speed of the light through it, तो less. इसमें क्या आएगा? less आएगा. The phenomena of splitting of white light into 7 color is known as the phenomena of dispersion of light. Third में आएगा dispersion of light. The point of the principal axis of a concave lens from where a beam of incident parallel ray appear to diverge is called focus. Is called the focus of the concave lens. तो ये फोर्थ में आएगा जी आपका focus. An object should be placed at the dash point 2f. यहाँ आएगा 2f. Show that the convex lens form its real or inverted image of the same size. तो ये इसके आंसर्स आप फिलअप करेंगे बुक के अंदर. कॉपी पे राइट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है इनको. नेक्स्ट इज़ आवर ट्रू फॉल्स. इन द ट्रू फॉल्स बी पार्ट, फर्स्ट इज द बेसिक कॉज ऑफ रेडिएशन इज द चेंज इन द स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट एज इट गोज फ्रॉम वन मीडियम टू द अनदर. तो इसमें आएगा जी आपका ट्रू. Second, an optical denser medium, the speed of light is more than the speed of light in vacuum. तो इसमें आएगा false. ये क्या है आपका? Second is false. An oblique incident ray always bends away from the normal when it passes from one transparent medium to another. तो इसमें भी क्या आएगा? थर्ड में भी आपका false आएगा. This is the wrong fact. That's why this is false. Next is a coin is kept at the bottom of the empty dry cup, appears to rise up when the some water is poured into the cup. Number 4 is true. नंबर 4 में आपका आएगा ट्रू. थर्ड में आपका फॉल्स है. ध्यान देना यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. when the white light is dispersed by the glass prism, the yellow color is in it bands more than the blue color. तो इसके आंसर में आपका आएगा फिफ्थ इज false. Fifth is false. That's your answer, false. Okay, now part C. In the part C, first part, which of the following condition is not necessary for change in the direction of propagation when the light ray goes from one medium to the another? The answer is the incident light ray must always have only the blue color. तो इसका फर्स्ट वाला जो है ऑप्टिक सॉरी ये नहीं है. तो इसका आएगा द इंसिडेंट रे मस्ट लास्ट वाला. दैट्स योर राइट. Sorry for the inconvenience. The last option is true. Next one is second question is Which of the following diagram correctly shown the bent of the light ray as it goes from optically denser medium into the optically rare medium? तो इसका जो आंसर आएगा वो आपका आएगा योर आंसर इज बी, ये वाला रेयर डेंसर, दैट्स इज योर आंसर. Okay, in the third, the angle between incident ray and emergent ray for the rectangular glass slab, the answer is 0 because emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. So your answer is A part 0. Which of the following figure correctly represent the passage of the white light through the glass prism? ग्लास प्रिज्म के ए और बी ऑप्शन यहाँ है. आगे नेक्स्ट है, तो आपका आंसर जो है वो ये वाला है सी. C is your right answer. Okay, in the fifth one, an incident ray passing through the optical center of a concave lens after refraction through it will. Answer is go undeviated. That's your answer, go undeviated. Second last part, sixth question. When object approaches to a convex lens from infinitely towards its focus, the image formed by it keep shifting away from the lens. ये आपका आंसर आएगा keep shifting away from the lens. फर्स्ट जो ऑप्शन है आपका keep shifting वाला ये आएगा. तान्या's grandmother needs a lens to read small letters in her book. For this she should use. उसको इस चीज़ के लिए क्या यूज करना चाहिए? योर आंसर इज ए कन्वेक्स लेंस कीप एट ए डिस्टेंस लेस देन इट्स फोकल लेंथ फ्रॉम द बुक. तो बी जो है आपका, बी इज योर राइट आंसर. सेकंड वाला ये आपका राइट आंसर है. ये सभी आप फिलअप करेंगे बुक में, ठीक है. इनको लर्न करेंगे, कॉपी पे राइट नहीं करना है, आपने बुक में ही फिलअप करना है इनको. ओके, बी एट होम, बी सेफ. थैंक यू सो मच.